Well, I don't even know how to start off this video, but well, good morning. I am now at the farm, which is a property owned by our YWAM base, like in 2 hours away, like further in mainland. And yeah, it's actually pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. It's literally wherever I look, it's just mountains, and it's actually sick. But yeah, we're here for a couple days. We're doing like a team building thing for Team Mexico, because that's where I'm going on my outreach. And so yeah, I thought I'd do a little vlog just to see what we get up to this weekend. But the view right here is insane. So anyways, we'll see what happens this weekend, but it's gonna be pretty dope. This is on. Well, we're hiking now. Again, views are gorgeous. Immaculate. Gorgeous. Oh, you can't even see that. It's so blown out. Oh, but yeah, views are crazy. We just stopped down by the river, got some cool shots, and now where are we heading? Do you know?
To a stone.
A stone? Yep. Yeah. I don't know.
Yep.
I don't know. We'll see what we actually come to, but I'm gonna try putting my FPV up today. I think last time I said that on this channel, I lost it. So, fingers crossed. Hoping I don't lose it, because I don't want to buy another one. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, well, as I'm sure you can hear on the mic,
Sup, guys?
It's a little windy. Got everyone chilling, but the views are crazy. So, anyways, I'm gonna try and put the drones up. Hope you don't crash.
Hope I don't crash.
He's flying my normal one. I'm gonna be flying the FPV, and we'll see if we have footage or not. So here it goes.
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I
Okay, well,
what's poppin'?
We put the drones up. Super windy. I was up at the top of the mountain, battery started to die, and it started auto landing. So I somehow managed to land it on a trail. So now we gotta go find it. So I'm dragging everyone along with me to come find my drone.
That's
it's a great time.
Right there.
We got the two lads with us.
Oh.
I think the drone is a little further up here, so
I don't know.
Yeah. Who knows at this point? Right. I think we'll be lucky if we find it, but yeah, we'll see. All right, well, so we got the drone back. Just walking back to the cabin now. So I don't think that drone footage turned out at all. I'll have to double check, but yeah, I think we're I think we're gonna call it quits for the day today. But tomorrow morning, the wind is not bad. I think I'm gonna give it a shot, see if I can try it one more time. Hopefully the battery doesn't try and kill the drone this time. So we'll see.
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
Alright, well, it's a beauty day. It's around 12 o'clock.
No wind at all.
There's like no wind whatsoever.
Down here.
There's definitely, well, down here at least, yeah. Up here, there's definitely gonna be some wind, but I don't even think my drone will reach the top of that, to be honest. So, got David. He's gonna be flying the Mavic Air. I'm gonna be flying my FPV, the green one, which you can kind of see. There we go. But yeah, let's. I'm gonna send it up. Hope we don't lose connection today, cause I haven't had too much luck with these drones lately. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. No matter distance I cover, you always there to smother. Please let me find another. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
We're on our way back. We just stopped at some random mountain. But yeah, it's a pretty sick weekend.
Random, but
It was a pretty sick weekend.
there are many people who died here.
We got some great drone footage. Trying to end this off on a nice note.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, we got some
Probably.
dope drone footage, and yeah, thanks for coming along. And stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
Peace.
I'm gonna have this fly right over us.
I see it, I see it. Bro, chill. This is so far. Okay, now I'm gonna find a shot like that over there to the farm.